Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little cook dinner with me. I'm going to be making one of my favorite ingredients, favorite recipe using all Trader Joe's ingredients. They're my stuffed bell peppers. So I make these a few different ways. Sometimes I'll add meat and other times I'll do them vegetarian like I'm doing tonight. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this. It's about 5 o'clock now. So I'm starting to make them a little earlier than I normally would, but these are great because you can make them ahead and just stick them in the fridge until you're ready to pop them in the oven before dinner. So I'm gonna get everything out, get the veggies chopped, and hopefully we can eat dinner a little earlier tonight. Back. I got myself a little helper right now. We're going to show you all the ingredients that we used the last time we made them, and they were super yummy. The key ingredient for this recipe, regardless of if you use do vegetarian or meat, is this chimichurri rice. It is amazing. It has amazing flavor. You hardly even need to add any other seasonings because it's so flavorful. And then, so I have the bell peppers, obviously. There are 3 of us for dinner tonight, so I'll have 3 bell peppers. I add mushrooms, chopped mushrooms. Nice way to get kind of a meaty texture, a little more heartiness. I'll do 1 jalapeno, a couple cloves of garlic, 1 zucchini. I'll add a couple handfuls of spinach. And then I will add some Parmesan cheese in, mix it all up. And then on top, I top it with some breadcrumbs, some dried herbs, some more Parmesan cheese, so it'll get like really nice and brown and crusty. And then at the very end, I slice some avocado and put that on top and serve it with some French bread. So, like I said though, you can really do this any way you want. Sometimes I'll add ground turkey, you can add sausage. This is just how we're doing ours tonight. So I'll kind of walk you through how I put it all together. Veggies chopped up. I have the onion, jalapeno, zucchini, and mushrooms. So I'm just gonna saute everything in this cast iron, and then I will add the rice. Alright, so I have the veggies going, the onion, jalapeno, zucchini, and mushroom, and they're all nice and soft. I just put some salt and pepper, red pepper flakes, and a little bit of garlic powder. And so now then I just add the frozen rice like right into the cooked veggies. Parmesan cheese and spinach, and mix all that together. Alright y'all, so they are all filled up. So I kind of like pack it down so I can fit as much filling in there as possible. So that pretty much made, you can see there's none left. So that fills like 3 medium-sized bell peppers. If you add meat, you can usually get like 4 bell peppers. So this is the important part, which I owe credit to my sister Leslie. So what you do, you put some, where's the cheese? So I put it, oh, right here, Parmesan cheese on top first. And then add panko breadcrumbs. This is what makes it extra yummy. We add a little bit of dried herbs, some dried oregano, dried basil. And then you're gonna pop them in the oven at like 400 for like 25-30 minutes. And then you put the avocado on at the very end. Stay tuned. finally done. It looks amazing. We're serving it with some French bread and some of this Trader Joe's Mediterranean hummus, glass of wine. We're gonna dig in. Thank y'all for watching.